Well, for many people, the cold, clear days of winter bring uncomfortable dryness to their skin. For some, the problem leads to far worse medical issues. Here to help with our winter skin before it becomes a problem, welcome Dr. Melanie Palm with Art of Skin MD. Good morning, Dr. Palm.
Good morning. Nice to see you, Brooke.
You too. So we have a lot to talk about in terms of the dry, cracked feeling. What can we do prior to really having that become a real problem for us with our skin?
A couple of things. So if you've got an anti-aging regimen that includes things like alpha hydroxy acids or things like retinoids and retinols, you may want to pare it down, use it less frequently, mix it down with a lotion. And the big thing is moisturizing. So humidifier in your home if you really need it. Make sure that you're drinking plenty of water, especially if you're active, and then make sure you're giving moisture back. So you think thick creams, things that are either petrolatum based or really good moisturizers like ceramides based, and even consider things like a misting water if you're traveling and feeling really dehydrated.
What is it we're looking for in the best moisturizers? So when we read that label, you just named a couple of things, but what is the top thing we should see? Those long words.
Oh, I know. So petrolatum, which is like what's in Vaseline and Aquaphor, it's an ointment base. So if something is clear, that's the most moisturizing. And then in some of the creams, you want to look for things like hyaluronic acid that helps bring hydration to the skin. It's something that's naturally contained in our skin. And then ceramides, which are cholesterol-derived, naturally occurring moisturizers for our skin.
And just a personal question, I'm sure a lot of others are interested as well. What about things that are perfumated?
Yeah, you want to be careful if you've got sensitive skin. And if you have dry skin that's not intact, things that normally wouldn't irritate your skin can during winter months.
Okay. Now, somewhat unrelated but related is traveling. So when we're traveling and sitting in the car at this time of year or on an airplane for long periods of time, you have something to help with that.
Absolutely. So during those long periods of travel, make sure you're taking breaks. Use your calf muscles. You want to get up periodically. But if you do have varicose veins or significant leg veins, you want to think about some compression. Your doctor can write you. It's just picked up at the pharmacy, but it provides compression from your ankle all the way up to your thigh and helps prevent things like blood clots forming in some of those veins.
Okay, so important this time of year, but actually year-round. So we'll do a whole entire segment on that with you another time because we're flat out of time, and that's a really important topic as well. So thank you for bringing those with you as well, and such an important topic this time of year to really moisturize the skin and stay healthy. Thanks.
Thank you, Brooke.
All right, so we'll send it back to you now at the desk.